guys have it wired into the...
No, we gotta physically take the disc in, and then the office download it onto the disc. I think it's got the capability to have it hardwired. We don't do it that way.
Pretty rare to see, most shops don't got that anymore. She's nice and quiet.
Yeah, it's a good machine. I mean, it's 20 years old. You can use a little TLC, but
still make you a good part.
Yeah, I mean, you can peel material off of this thing like you wouldn't believe. Typically, we're taking a half-inch pass, needing 25,000 per rev.
That's pretty good stuff. I'm gonna walk around it a little bit. Yeah, we're good. Probably good there. Just wanted to show that she comes out